In the world of management accounting, the delicate dance between professional responsibilities and personal well-being can often feel like a high-wire act. As management accountants, we are tasked with the monumental job of guiding our organizations through complex financial landscapes, crafting budgets, analyzing performance, and ensuring compliance with ever-evolving regulations. It's intellectually rewarding, but let's be honest, it can also be incredibly demanding. The pressure of tight deadlines, the intensity of our workloads, and the unpredictable nature of our schedules can make it all too easy to lose sight of that elusive work-life balance. So, what exactly is work-life balance? It's the equilibrium between our professional commitments and our personal lives, an essential aspect of our overall well-being. It's not about dividing our time equally between work and home. Rather, it's about finding that blend that allows us to excel in our careers while also nurturing our personal lives, relationships, and self-care practices. For each of us, this balance looks different, shaped by our unique priorities and values. Now, let's delve into the challenges we face as management accountants. First and foremost, time constraints loom large. We often find ourselves racing against the clock, especially during fiscal year-end closures or critical financial reviews. The pressure to deliver timely financial reports can lead to extended hours that encroach upon our personal time. Then, there's the intensity of our workloads. The intricate nature of financial data demands meticulous attention, and the juggling act of delivering high-quality work while avoiding burnout can feel overwhelming. Moreover, our work hours can be unpredictable. The financial landscape is ever-changing, and unforeseen challenges can disrupt our carefully crafted schedules. While flexibility can be a blessing, it can also make it difficult to establish a consistent routine. This unpredictability can lead to mental fatigue as we constantly manage intricate financial nuances and the weight of decision-making. And let's not forget the toll this can take on our personal lives. Finding time for family, hobbies, and self-care can feel like an impossible task. With these challenges in mind, it's crucial to recognize the importance of work-life balance. Contrary to the myth that endless productivity equates to success, research consistently shows that a balanced approach leads to higher job satisfaction and increased productivity. When we prioritize our well-being, we can approach our responsibilities with renewed focus and creativity, ultimately enhancing our performance. So, how can we reclaim control over our time and improve our overall quality of life? Here are 12 actionable tips to help management accountants achieve that coveted work-life harmony. First, let's talk about time management. Prioritizing tasks is essential. Identify your high-priority responsibilities and set realistic deadlines to create a structured workflow. Techniques like time blocking can help you dedicate focused periods to specific tasks, reducing the stress of looming deadlines and enhancing your efficiency. Next, establish clear work boundaries. Define specific work hours to separate your professional responsibilities from your personal life. By doing so, you create a structured routine that prevents overworking and minimizes stress, allowing you to recharge outside of work hours. In our tech-driven world, leverage technology to streamline your processes. Automation tools can simplify routine tasks, freeing up time for more complex responsibilities. Time tracking apps can help you monitor and allocate your time effectively, boosting productivity and reducing errors. Don't underestimate the power of regular breaks. Taking short breaks throughout the day is crucial for maintaining focus and mental well-being. These moments of respite allow you to recharge, ultimately enhancing your creativity and reducing mental fatigue. Effective delegation is another cornerstone of successful management. Empower your team by delegating tasks to capable colleagues. This not only reduces your workload, but also fosters a sense of responsibility and ownership among your team members. Incorporating physical exercise into your routine can work wonders for your mental and physical health. Exercise is a proven stress reliever, and it boosts your energy levels, allowing you to approach your work with renewed vigor. Cultivating a hobby outside of work is vital for maintaining mental well-being. Engaging in activities unrelated to your job provides a therapeutic outlet, promoting relaxation and reducing stress associated with work pressures. Setting realistic expectations is key. By establishing achievable goals, you can avoid unnecessary pressure and enhance your job satisfaction. This approach fosters a healthier work environment where you can thrive. Establishing a consistent routine brings stability and predictability to your day. Knowing what to expect can reduce stress and help you navigate your professional and personal responsibilities more efficiently. Effective communication is the backbone of successful teamwork. Foster open and transparent communication with your team and superiors to minimize misunderstandings and improve collaboration. This contributes to a positive work environment and reduces the stress associated with miscommunication. Continuous learning and skill development are essential in our rapidly evolving field. Investing time in expanding your knowledge ensures you stay relevant and competitive, enhancing your job performance and opening doors for career advancement. Finally, regularly assess and adjust your priorities. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial in our dynamic environment. By evaluating your tasks and adjusting your preferences, you can maintain a healthy work-life balance while navigating challenges effectively. Now let's take a moment to reflect on the benefits of achieving work-life balance. Improved mental health is perhaps the most significant advantage. Striking that balance reduces stress and prevents burnout, allowing you to approach challenges with clarity and focus. Enhanced job satisfaction follows suit. When you allocate time to both professional and personal pursuits, you experience a sense of fulfillment that permeates your work. Moreover, increased productivity is a natural byproduct of balance. Adequate time for rest and rejuvenation allows you to return to your tasks with renewed energy. And let's not forget the importance of healthier relationships. Dedicating quality time to personal connections strengthens your support system, contributing to a more positive and resilient mindset. As management accountants, we are in a marathon, not a sprint. By prioritizing work-life balance, we position ourselves for sustainable career growth and longevity. The ripple effect of a healthy balance extends beyond ourselves, positively impacting our organizational culture and fostering a workplace that values well-being. In conclusion, achieving work-life balance is not just a personal goal, it's a professional imperative. By implementing these 12 tips, we can cultivate a harmonious equilibrium between our personal and professional lives. Ultimately, this leads to enhanced job satisfaction, reduced stress levels, improved decision-making abilities, and increased innovation. So let's embrace these principles, not just for ourselves, but for our colleagues and the organizations we serve. Together, we can create a healthier, more productive workplace that benefits everyone. The journey toward balance may be challenging, but it's a journey worth taking.